Also, some big developments here locally. With the infection rate rising, Governor Cuomo upending Mayor de Blasio's plans for a second shutdown in parts of New York City.
Here's a live picture now from a school in Kew Gardens, Queens. It'll be closed tomorrow, along with several other schools in certain neighborhoods, a day earlier than the mayor had planned. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer has more now, live from City Hall, where the mayor says businesses will close, but the governor says no. Who's right, Marcia?
Well, it may be the biggest slapdown Governor Cuomo has ever dealt to Mayor de Blasio in their often tense relationship. An assessment by the governor that the mayor's plan for dealing with the surging virus in the city is not up to snuff, so Governor Cuomo is taking control.
I would not send my child to a school in a hotspot cluster that has not been tested. We're going to close the schools in those areas tomorrow.
And with those words, Governor Cuomo began the first steps in taking apart Mayor de Blasio's plans for dealing with the 9 COVID clusters in New York City. The governor moved up the timetable for closing schools in the hotspot zip codes. As many as 100 public schools and 200 private schools will close tomorrow, not Wednesday, as the mayor proposed. The governor said he would also meet with religious leaders to determine whether and under what circumstances synagogues and churches can open. And while de Blasio said he wanted to close non-essential businesses, the governor gave them a reprieve.
Businesses are not mass spreaders. You know, you're talking about small stores.
The governor said they would need to draw new lines, not merely based on zip codes, to determine what opens and what closes. And when it comes to restaurants, he said that indoor and outdoor dining could be impacted, but it was unclear when. He said again that there would need to be a redrawing of boundary lines before a decision is made. The governor knocked de Blasio by saying he was going to take control of enforcing the law in New York City.
The state is going to take over the enforcement oversight in all the hotspot clusters.
And while he wants the NYPD to help with manpower, he's going to direct the action. The reason, the mayor didn't enforce the mask law. The governor says the mayor issued just 26 summonses, despite lots and lots of evidence.
New York City deployed 1,000 people for days, 3 days. 24,000 personnel hours, you only did 26 enforcement actions? That's not enforcement.
Mayor de Blasio had this to say.
I'm very, very clear that if I can get someone to wear a mask rather than just give a fine for its own sake, I want someone to wear the mask. If someone refuses to wear the mask, they're getting a fine. That's been our approach all along.
Now, the mayor and the NYPD did not commit extra cops for Cuomo. In fact, the agency issued a statement saying, "We will continue our education and awareness campaign and deploy our resources as conditions warrant." Now, this is going to last between 2 to 4 weeks. It's unclear just when they're going to pull the plug on it. It's going to depend on infection rates. Reporting live at City Hall, I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Marcia, thank you.